Cells. A cell is the smallest unit of structure and function. Just as bricks are building blocks of a house, cells are the building blocks of organisms. All organisms are made up of cells. Plants are made up of different types of plant cells, and animals of different types of animal cells. Robert Hooke in 1665 was the first person to describe cells. He designed one of the earliest microscopes, which he used to examine thin sections of cork, among other things. He discovered that cork was made up of numerous box-like structures, which he called cells. Unicellular organisms are one-celled or single-celled. Example: bacteria, yeast, amoeba, etc. Multicellular organisms are large and more complicated in structure. Example: crabs, fowls, banana, etc. Differences between plant and animal cells. Plant cells are larger, while animal cells are smaller. A plant cell has a large vacuole which is permanent. An animal cell has small vacuoles which are temporary. A plant cell has a cell wall which is rigid and inelastic. An animal cell does not have the cell wall, has only the membrane which is inelastic. The plant cell has a rigid shape, while the animal cell does not have a rigid shape. The nucleus of the plant cell is peripheral, that is by the side, while the nucleus of the animal cell is in the middle, that is central. The plant cell has chloroplast, while the animal cell does not have chloroplast. Functions of parts of the cell. 1. Cell membrane. It is an envelope that encloses the cytoplasm and other internal parts of the cell. The cell membrane controls the amount and type of substances that enter and leave the cell. Cytoplasm embeds or contains all organelles of a cell. Nucleus directs and controls the activities of the cell. When the nucleus of a cell is removed, the cell soon dies. The nucleus contains the hereditary materials. 4. Cell wall. Only plant cells have cell wall. It is the outermost boundary made up of a substance called cellulose. It prevents osmotic bursting of the cell. Chloroplast. These are small ovoid green structures that contain chlorophyll. Chlorophyll traps energy from the sun. This energy is essential for the manufacture of their food by the process of photosynthesis. Vacuole. It is a large sac which is covered by a membrane. It fills most of the plant cell. It stores substances such as mineral salts, pigments, and sugar. Mitochondria. It is here that energy from food is released during respiration.